So hey, I'm going to make some keychains out of this cutoff from a cutting board that I did a while back. I'm going to do a Texas shaped one so that it keeps this little design in it. And I'll do it in Vectric and then I'll cut it on the CNC and I'll finish them and they'll look cool. Watch this. Okay, that totally didn't work. I forgot to put the tape when I was going to put it down. I locked it all in, but I completely forgot to do that. And so while it was cutting, as soon as it went down into here, it like lifted it up and the bit drove down in there and snapped off. It was like a 1/8 inch bit. So it's already, and it was kind of old anyway. So I ordered a new one. But what I'm going to do is I've got this other piece. This is the cutting board that I was working on, a little small one, and I completely jagged it up, put this on backwards. And like 2 days later, came back and looked at it. It was like, I'm an idiot. So I'm going to make keychains out of this one. So watch this. Okay, so I got a whole bunch of these made. It's fun because each one is different when I'm doing it. And I actually have a whole lot more that I made than just this. And I'll take these and put them on ribbons. And when I'm giving away like cookies and tamales and things like that over the holidays, we'll throw these on there because a lot of my friends know that I do woodworking and it's something I can give them and they'll see it and they'll be like, oh, this is so cool. And they love it and it's fun. I like to share it with them too. And so I don't sell them or anything like that. And they're just fun to make and hope you get to make something like that too. But I do want to show the mistakes too. And the CNC problem with not putting the tape down, that's a big one. It's one that it doesn't happen often, but when you get busy and I'm trying to measure stuff and maybe I'm putting the wood down and I'm making sure all of the pieces are gonna, work right with the hold downs, I'll walk away, come back, forget thinking that I had it already taped and I didn't. And that's what happens. You end up ruining the piece of wood, you end up breaking a bit, whatever it is. And that's just a part of the process. Having an order of operations is always helpful, but I could have a list of everything I got to do and I may not never look at it. But for some people who need to have that, I would definitely recommend having that just so you can always check off what all you're doing, especially if you're new to CNC. We have mistakes, we make mistakes, we're human. But it's all part of having fun. If this was something I did for a living, I think I'd be a lot more stressed about it, but I don't, I never will, and this is the way it is. So hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a great holiday. I hope if you're making something, you're getting to make it all. And remember, it doesn't cost anything. It costs nothing at all to be kind. We'll see.